Do you know that apart from group discussion, personal interview and aptitude test, there is one more thing which is part of a recruitment process? Well, we call it Extempre or Extempore. Hey guys, my name is Nisha. I am a soft skills trainer and for last 10 years, I have been training students like you. Well guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do it quickly because very soon there will be a campus recruitment drive in your college and you need to prepare for group discussion, for CV making, resume making, for interview and also extempore. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So what does this word extempore or extempore mean? Well guys, it has actual meaning lying in the context of stage or theatre performance that are carried out without preparation or impromptu performances. An extempore speech is an impromptu speech which the candidate is required to make on a topic given there and then. In some instances, the panel provide the candidate with about a minute or so to organize his or her thoughts before speaking. In other cases, you will be expected to start speaking about the topic as soon as the topic is announced. Historically, FMS, a top-notch business school affiliated to Delhi University, IT companies like HCL, CSE have been known for conducting an extempore session along with the group discussion and personal interview round in their selection process. So what do these companies actually check in a candidate through extempore? Well, an extempore presentation tests the candidates on the following. Number 1 is your ability to think off the feet. Number 2, analysis of the topic and identification of the issue to be addressed. Number 3 is idea generation. Number 4, prioritization and sequencing to display logical thinking. Number 5, ability to connect with the panel. Number 6, communication skills. And number 7, overall presentation skill that includes body language, confidence, your poise, your composure, etc. For effective extempore speaking, candidate must be fluent and articulate. Students are suggested to prepare well in advance so that the impromptu speech comes out to be spontaneously impressive. So let's go through some tips. Well, number 1 is mental preparation. Know what to speak before delivering speech. Ponder over the topic for some time and prepare the flow of the delivery. Your previous extempore practice session would surely help here. Understanding the audience, the direction they are most likely to accept helps in framing flow of speech. Tip number 2 is start speaking in an even pace. Do not start really fast as you are likely to end up not having anything to speak. Tip number 3 is confidence. Confidence along with knowledge always help, even in abstract topics where the candidate is tested on presence of mind, spontaneity and analytical skills. Tip number 4, handle mental blocks smartly. At times when you get blank about what to speak, try to maneuver yourself out of the situation gracefully by avoiding being nervous. Candid smiles also help, and for such situation, it is better to have backup plans. Another tip, control on speech. Do not get emotional about the respective topic. Avoid getting too personal on sensitive matter. Do not even deviate from the topic and talk irrelevant. For a satisfactory performance, it is always better to use your knowledge in an intelligent way with the control on the speech. Another important tip, presenting both sides. In case of controversial topics, the candidate may choose to explore both sides, a stand which becomes difficult to take in case of group discussion due to the challenges of the group dynamics. In an extempore, since the candidate is the only person speaking, it becomes possible for a smart strategic speaker to discuss both aspects of the controversial topic. However, one has to be careful about the time constraint while taking this stand. Another very important tip: competence, enthusiasm, and adaptability is the key. Work on your competence and competitive advantage, which may be excellent vocabulary, good general knowledge. How well and quickly a candidate adapts to the situation she is put in, and with what enthusiasm and energy level does he or she deliver the speech are some of the other desirable evaluation parameters. More often than not, you can use these guidelines to talk on an extempore topic. If possible, define the topic or specific terms of a topic. If any widely known classification exists about the subject of the topic, talk about the classification. Provide supporting evidence in the form of data, if you know, or any examples. If the topic provides scope for narrating person experiences, then use the opportunity to do so. Most importantly, time yourself well. If the panel has given you 1 minute, try and do one or more of what has been mentioned above and complete the extempore logically. It may not be a good idea to be stopped in the middle of your sentence. So I hope guys this video will definitely clear all your doubt about extempore, or we call it extempore, or also we call it just a minute or jam. This will definitely help you out. So if you have any doubt related to this, you can always write in comment section. I will try to clear all your doubt. So guys, if you really like this video, then share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then do it quickly. I'll meet you very soon with another important topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.